Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu na Oraifite maọbụ ikpọm Akajiugo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi n'ụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ keep the Sabbath day holy, the third commandment. Abịa m ka m gwa gị that the 10 commandments has nothing to do with Christianity. 10 commandments has been a law from time immemorial, from creation. And that 10 commandments is actually the manual of how human being is expected to live life here on earth in order not to run into challenges of life, of self-made. So after creating the entire universe, he gave mankind in the gross material world the manual, self-manual, what and what we must avoid in order to enjoy this world to the fullest. Now, in that 10 commandments, from number 1 to number 3, is actually how he concerns him, our relationship with him. But for the 4th commandment to the 10th commandment is how it concerns the general public and our relationship with fellow human beings. So today we are talking, we have dealt with other ones, the first one, second one. Today we are discussing the 3rd commandment, which is keep the Sabbath day holy. I'm here to tell you what is Sabbath. Sabbath is not the day of Saturn. Sabbath day is not the day of Saturn, as some people are claims. Saturday in the Roman calendar simply means the day of they worship the god of Saturn, the Saturn god. That is the Saturn day. All those things can get them by attack. And let the bandage fall for your eyes for you to know the truth. It's only truth that will set you free. It's only truth that will set you free from slavery. It's the only truth that will give you salvation. It's the only truth that will open your eyes. All this is what we are going to discuss today. But before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. We are still in the 2nd month of 2026. And our monthly ritual, group monthly ritual is still ongoing. You can still join us anywhere you are all over the globe. Distance is never a barrier in all our spiritual activities in the temple. This show to go them na temple charge go for kubiokuni in this all over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, the members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and Consecrated Group. It was I see me every month. The last day of the month I get in a midday be no man Ahmad the temple charge of entities of us. Then eventually with Mesraka. HF than I am military charge I carry go 4 years now. Believe in me, we have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or on Eze-Ana TV because it's not necessary. It's not why we're here. So, but what I can tell you, so if you are interested in joining our monthly rituals, prayers, and sacrifices, what you have to do is to make token donation to the account number. Chat me on WhatsApp for the 3 prayer requests I get. Even alternate to go for the Kubi na one nature for Chihuahua, Makanaja Karelo. All need interested, chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number remains 9 at screen gig 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672. Now let's proceed. The 3rd commandment said, and I quote, keep the Sabbath day holy. Now, some people will be arguing, maybe by brethren, the Sabbatarians. Some of them will be arguing that Sabbath day is the Saturday. No, I disagree. During the time of Okike, when this law was given, there is nothing like world calendar. Yes, here, however, in during that time that God created the whole world, there is nothing like world calendar. The current world calendar we are using now is derived from the Roman calendar, when the Romans was like they are the champions, they are the emperors, they are the one conquered the world during the Roman Empire. So they introduced their own calendar during the time of Pope Gregory. This Roman calendar is called the Gregorian calendar in the 15th century. Now, this Roman calendar, the word calendar, is the most acceptable calendar. But I can tell you, there were many countries and account to their own calendar differently. I will tell you, in Ethiopia is not in 2026. The way they count their own and the way they do all their festivals and rest of them. The same way with other countries. And when other countries say their own way of counting is different from what we are counting now. So, but what I'm telling you today is that all these days you are seeing in Igbo cosmology, yes, we count 4 days as a week. In Igbo spirituality comprises Eke, Weorie, Afo, and 4 days. We call it one issue, meaning 1 week. Now, and we calculate it 4 days times 7. It give you 28 days in Igbo calendar, and the Igbo calendar is 28 days per month. You hear it gets 13 months in a year. That is Igbo calendar. However, Georgian calendar, we the spiritualists say make use of our own Igbo calendar. However, the world acceptable calendar supersede anyways. Now what I can tell you is that in Igbo calendar, we are seeing in the last year, I have about New Year. So we have about New Year 2020. We are seeing in 2025. Anyway, it's a lecture for another day. Now, the same way, the same thing to all the race in the world. However, using a Roman calendar to judge, this Roman calendar is designed to favor their way of worship. The same way Igbo calendar is designed the way of worship in Igbo cosmology. Now, what I can tell you is this: the same way in other race of the world. So during that time, the Romans conquered the world. They used their own calendar. They superimposed their own calendar upon all of us. Now in their calendars, they use all these their months, the days. It has to do with their people and their gods. It will interest you to know that June is the day they celebrate the goddess of Jupiter. And August is the month they celebrate the Emperor Caesar Augustus. Anyway, that's why it's a teaching for another day. It will also interest you to know that the Sunday is the day they celebrate the god of the sun. The sun, the day they celebrate the god of the sun. About the Sunday. The same way in Igbo spirituality we celebrate the sun and the fire element on the Ekede. Now on their own, on Monday, they call it Monday, but the actual thing is the moon day, the day they celebrate the gods of the moon. The same way, even Thursday is the day they celebrate the thunder. Yes, god of thunder. Yes, even Saturday simple means the day they celebrate the Saturn god, called Saturn day. It's a teaching for another day. So what I can tell you is that with this my point now, you can see that people that are claiming that God created the world 6 days and rested on the 7 days and thinking that 7 days must be Saturday. It doesn't work that way. Understand? Because when God created the world, there's no feast day. And one on Monday to Saturday, and one on Sunday to Saturday. I know you are understanding me very well. So, however, there is no particular day fixed from Okike that this is the Sabbath day. Sabbath day is being the day we rest. Now, and what a particular day. But what Chukwuoke is trying to tell us in that Genesis chapter 1 is this: that is the imperative for each and every one of you, us, to have a rest. In actual sense, God can never be get tired. God cannot rest. because Chukwu has no beginning, has no end. But you know, Bible stories is allegorical stories. Nothing like say the same day Chukwu zo ike Chukwu anaghị ezi ike because Chukwu bụ Chukwu. Mana ihe chọrọ ịkọwado gị ebe a bụ na what you pinpoint there is that Chukwu knows that it's imperative for every human being to have a day of reflection. Okay, izu ike is very important in the human being. Yes, for us to keep on living a healthy life, we need rest. What he's trying to tell us that you must create out a particular day for rest. A particular day that will be like a resting day. Even in Igbo spirituality, we have it. And when they are sick, when they are sorry, when they are suffering, when they are songko, when they are some certain particular time. Ihe dị mkpa abụrụ wụda mgbe na-asụ eke ma ị na-asụ ori na-asụ afọ na-asụ nkwọ. Ihe dị mkpa bụ dị ga-create time onwe any time that is suitable to you. Create it for meditation. Create it for spiritual exercise. Create it for retreat. For onwe meeting. That is the only way. If you are practicing Igbo spirituality, remember, people that knows me understand that I'm a reformer. I believe in revival. I believe that Igbo spirituality, more explanation needs to be given for people to understand Igbo spirituality. Igbo spirituality is far beyond gbuo ọkụkọ gbuo ewu. Ọtụtụ n'ime ụnụ, ọkụkọ na-ewu ugburu adịgo too much. Ọkụkọ na-efi ugburu adịkwo na too much. And when other spiritual ingredients that is needed, Obu na a bridge together with these sacrifices, you will notice that you are growing spiritually. All my followers, I keep telling them, there are so many keys, which spiritual sacrifices is one of them. Etuajihemme is one of them. It's only one part. And one other part of helping the needy, helping in evangelization. You know, if there's any way you can support ministration, fine. It's a key. If you can be able to support the needy, the less privileged, the orphans, the aged people, then support to evangelize propagation of the message is key. Because in the previous earth life, maybe you are one of those people that stop propagation of the word of God. Now, in order for you to pay for your kama, you need to support ministration in any way possible in order to pay for your kama. I use that one as an example. What I'm telling you is that there's no particular day. Don't allow anybody to coerce you that Saturday must be kept holy. I'm not saying that you cannot choose Saturday, but choose any day of your choice. Me and my group, we choose Sundays. Why we choose Sundays in Igbo spirituality? We choose Sunday because Sunday is the power, the day of the sun. Understand? In a day of energizing, because the power of the sun energizes. Now, that's why we in Igbo spirituality, we worship on Sundays. Yes, because we believe in reforming. So we are trying to reform Igbo spirituality in the simplest way, that in a way we still maintain the teaching, but we reform some areas that need to be reformed. So we use Sundays as a day of coming together, praise and worship, recognize the gods, pray and make declaration as a group. So what I'm saying that you individually can create a particular day. What is important that you must create a particular day, a particular time you declare sacred. It could be 30 minutes, it could be 1 hour. You can do it daily, you can choose weekly, as case may be. But the most important thing is that there must be a time of break. You must have a time for break, for meditation, for time of retreat. Call yourself meeting, call your forces meeting. Assess yourself, ask yourself some vital questions. Are you actually making progress? Are you where you're supposed to be? Are you on the right track of salvation? All these things, if you are call yourself an Igbo spiritualist or Igbo adherent, or Igbo adherent, or African spirituality adherent, and your own practices is only offer sacrifices, ram, goat, and rest of them, and you go home and begin to slumber, they are wasting your time. That one is just the foundational base. When you mature to the spiritual consciousness, you will see other keys that count. The key of sacrifice of the blood is just one key. And what other keys? And when those other keys are needed, even if you sacrifice one cow, your problem will not go, because you needed other keys of meditation, spiritual exercise, and retreat in order to reawaken their inner self. We must go beyond some other what they just know is that they will always go to where they kill cow and kill goat and everything, eat and marry. That's all. For them, they will be clapping to themselves that they are ordinary adherent. No, it doesn't stop there. You should upgrade yourself to the certain spiritual vibrations. So what I'm telling you is that you must have a day of rest, a day of reflection, meditation, spiritual exercise, when you call yourself meeting and ratifies. So it's not necessary on Saturday. However, if you choose Saturday, so be it. But what I'm telling you is that Chukwuoke expected us to have a particular resting day of meditation in order to recharge ourselves. Very important. Thank you. If you have any question to this lecture, chat me on WhatsApp. You see my WhatsApp number on the screen: 0805 78 37 672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ka Chineke na-apụghị isi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya, n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya ga-esi. May the blessings of Chukwuoke Premier be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya ga-esi. Udo dịrị unu.